Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can add columns to Wix website. So make sure to watch the video till the very end and let's begin. So here I'm within the Wix dashboard and I've just clicked on Edit Site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. So right here I've just added this template as an example. And if we want to add columns, just click anywhere on the welcome screen itself. And you should be able to see this Explore section layouts. After that, click on Add Section. So within this page here, then it will show us all the different layouts which we can use for our Wix website. And I'm going to choose this one because as you can see, we have different columns here. So we have 2 columns. So you can choose, or you want to choose a design which has multiple columns which will suit your needs. And now as you can see, if I click on either of those, I will be able to see Manage Columns. So if we click on here, then we can choose which column we want to work with. And we can also choose to add different columns here as well. So basically, after you have used this to your needs, you can just delete the unnecessary parts of it. And that's how you can add columns. And another way of how you can actually do this, go to the search tool here. And we are going to use column or search for column. And it will show us the vertical lines here, which we can add. So we can add vertical lines, and we can also add horizontal lines right above it here. But that doesn't really create columns. You can manually create columns that way. So that's basically how you can add columns to Wix website. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.